Partners now have the ability to approve and request changes to emails through the Client Review folder in Engage. Navigate to the Communications tab, which will take you to the email calendar. Click on Review, then click on the blue gear button next to the email you want to review. Here you can preview the email so you can see the content and the design. You can also send yourself a test email. To approve the email, click the Approve button and enter your comment. Or if you have any changes, click the Request a Change option. This will open a dialog box for you to enter your comments. When you click the Submit button, your campaign project manager will automatically be notified of your approval or requested changes. All of your comments will be saved. You can view them at any time by clicking the View Comment Log option. This will allow you to see all the documented communication made through the email creation process.